Welcome you all for the first day of the faculty development program. Let us begin. To go to classroom, open your email ID, click on Google Labs, that is 9 dot symbol which is in right side corner. I think you can see in the screen, right side corner 9 dot symbol, and click on classroom. If you click on classroom, you can get plus symbol here. In the plus symbol, we can see join class, create class. Please click on create class. And in the next slide, you can see the configuration. Accept configuration. If you accept configuration, you'll get create class. Fill details in create class. Your class name. Here I gave FDP. But you can type name, you can choose class name according to your choice. Section, I gave A here. Subject, you can type English, Maths, Physics, whatever you want to type. I gave Tamil here. Now click on create. If you click on create, you will get one beautiful colorful classroom like this. Kindly click on display to get clear class code. This class code is very much important. Kindly copy and save it in your email ID. Class code is important to invite your students. It is also important if students want to join in your class. So here is the class code. Save it carefully. Let us learn stream, classwork, people, and marks one by one very clearly. We can add material from Google Drive, link, file, and YouTube attachment. Let's see it in detail. You can type some, if you take this slide, you can see share with your class. You can type some important information in share with your class. Here I typed, please join in Google class using class code, or browse all the enclosed materials. Whatever the announcements or whatever the information you want to share here, you can type here. In stream, we can add materials from Google Drive, link, file, YouTube. Please note, if you want to attach files, folders from Google Drive, we have to prepare and save them in Drive in advance. Copy and paste link address in add link. Here is add link, you can see, to a chosen subject. We can also attach files from Google Drive. That is the first slide here. And you can also take YouTube link. You can add it. Google Drive. If you go to my Google Drive, whatever you have stored here for your classroom purpose, you can add that too. Now I got this output because I added sources from Google Drive, link, file, and YouTube URL. If you practice, you can also get like this kind of output. So kindly practice stream. Now our classroom is ready, so we have to invite students. To invite students, click on people. If you click on people, we can get teachers and students. We can invite teachers and students by entering their email ID. You can share your class code number also to your students so that they can join on their own. Now let us see classwork in brief. We can create assignment, quiz assignment, question, material, and let's see reuse post and topic. Go to assignment, fill all the details in assignment. It will ask title. I give parts of speech. You can give whatever you want to give. Instructions is optional, but giving instructions is safe for us. So please give instructions. In the right side of the assignment, we have to fill some other details like points, due date, time, all that we have to fill to post it or to assign it for the students. To assignment, we have quiz assignment. Click on it. To fill details of assignment details, title, instruction. After that, click on blank quiz, delete blank quiz. We'll get Google form. The blank quiz is nothing but Google form only. Delete blank quiz. I typed CS here, computer science. You can choose your subject and you can type here. If you take this blank quiz, we can prepare 3 different types of questions: short answer, paragraph, multiple choice. Click on plus symbol to add question. Once your typed question paper is ready, click on send to fill send form. You can send this question paper to your email ID to keep it safe and to share this online test widely. We are in classwork, create, click on question. We can give essay type questions in this area. As usual, you can add saved question papers or saved question paper materials from Google Drive, link, file, YouTube. The next slide, you have to fill ask column details. That is points. I give 25 points because it is essay type question. You can fix, you can allot due date, time. We are supposed to give topic. Below the topic, we have 2 options. Students can reply to each other. The second one is students can edit answer. Whatever you want to highlight, you can highlight. If you want to highlight both, you can highlight both. The choice is yours. So now the essay type question is ready as students' assignment. Now we are in classwork. Click on create. We have completed assignment creation, quiz assignment creation, question assignment creation. So we are in material creation now. Click on material and fill title for your material. I gave Indian writing in English. Description is optional. Let's create material using Google Document, Google Slides, Google Sheets, Google Drawings, and Google Form. Now, let's refresh ourselves by doing hands-on activity. In material, click on Google Document, delete untitled document, and type your title. Here I typed Web 2.0 tools, and you can give heading, aims and objective of the program. That is my heading here. And type the content, word content in the blank space. In the right side corner, near to share, click on Open Comment History. The main purpose of this Open Comment History is to correct students' mistakes in comment and to develop their writing ability. We can also choose different colors using a capital letter A for text color and pen symbol is to highlight color. Click on share, which is in the right side corner. Copy the link to save it in your email ID. This link is Google Doc link. We can share Google document materials to anyone with a link or to restricted. Here we have 2 options, restricted and anyone with the link. Whomever would you like to share your link, you can share. In Google Documents, we can create very attractive and useful posters like this, for which click on letter A for changing text color and click on pen symbol to highlight the background color. If you practice all these bars and menus, we can create multiple types of documents. Copy Google document link to save it in your email ID. If teachers want to share something with the students, that can also be typed in comment. Here is the example for that. We can highlight important keywords and sentences in order to get students' attention on the particular area, for which we have to select capital letter A to change text color, pen symbol to change or to highlight background color. Once the Google Doc material is ready, we can share material with people and groups. Hands-on training. In order to master in Google Document, we have to practice different types of templates. Here I have posted 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 different types of posters. Whenever you are free, you can practice all these things. 5 different types of lessons for my students in Google Classroom. I would like to share them here. The very first one is picture comprehension and composition. Second is peer editing, labeling, blog writing, sorting and labeling. Here is the example for that. This is picture composition. Picture composition example is there in the screen, and this is picture comprehension exercise. For that, you have to click. If you want to get like this kind of colorful background, please click on background color option. This exercise is peer editing. For the preparation of this lesson, you have to choose or you have to select open comment history. If you select open comment history, you can get like this kind of colorful comments from your colleagues. Labeling is also possible in Google Document. If you want to prepare like this kind of colorful lessons, please make use of all these title bar menus effectively. Now let's see explore in detail. Click on tool to explore how to make use of web sources in document related to your research topic. Here my research topic is Indian writers. I can make use of web sources like images, Word documents, links, YouTube, etc. I can merge all these to create blog in Google Document. Use Explore for blog writing process. This lesson is prepared by me for my students, which is called as sorting and labeling. This is also possible in Google Document. In sharing box, we have 3 options: viewer, commenter, editor. Let me brief in detail. If you want to receive comment from people, select comment so that they can send their comments. If you want them to edit, select edit so that they can edit whatever they feel like to edit, they can post it to you. If you select viewer, they can neither edit nor comment, just they can view whatever you have shared. Let's share, or let's always create innovative lessons using Google Document. This is time for us to do some hands-on activity in Google Document. Prepare one blog using Explore. Share it in your Google Classroom. Ask students to write an essay or a research paper in Google document and correct their grammar and spelling mistakes using open comment history. Prepare one picture composition and comprehension to share in one particular classroom group. Now let's learn how to integrate Google Meet in Google Classroom for video conferencing. First step is both teachers and students have to download Google Meet app from Play Store. Then click on New Meeting. Copy Google Meet link from Add Others. You can see a link here. You can copy it from here. Share the link in Classroom. Here is my Google Meet link in my classroom. Ask students to click on Google Meet link to join in the meeting. Now you can invite students to join with you in Google Meet. Students have, here is the output for that. Students have to click on this link. The next slide, this is output, whatever the students will get in their screen. Students have to click on Ask to Join. Now teachers have to click on Admit. If you admit, they will enter in the class. That is in the Google Meet class. Now the video conference is ready for you to play. This is time for you to record your video conference using Google Meet.